Who do you think I am? Just take a look at me, all right? I'm not offended. How old do you think I am?
40.
40?
Late 30s.
Late 30s?
48.
48? Sorry, just a frog in the throat. So, diverse teams. The diversity within them allows us much more cognitive flexibility, different ideas, different perspectives that come in. You'll get much more of that with brains that come from different parts of society. But what people see above the surface is how those values come to life. So how do you actually demonstrate your values? Because we can all say, oh yeah, one of my values is integrity. So what? What does that actually mean? And, you know, I work with so many organisations and I go in and I say to people in the organisation, so tell me, what are your company values? And they go, and maybe they can recite a couple of them, parrot fashion. You ever been like that? You ever met any people that you work with in your organisation maybe like that? Maybe they're looking around for the poster on the wall that's got them listed, because that's how they remember them.
Hi, my name is Lee Jackson. I'm the past president of the Professional Speaking Association in the UK and Ireland. I saw Jackie Handy speak only yesterday. I just want to recommend her. I thought she's fantastic. She's got a great message and she's great at engaging an audience, and she has a fantastic just personality that would really be great at a conference. So I recommend Jackie to you.
Jackie created a safe place for our learning. She was fully committed, fully energised throughout. And as a result, we saw magic happen across the team. The learning took root and we've seen the benefit already. Everyone's really excited to put into practice what we learned together. So thanks, Jackie.
Ask yourself, who am I inviting to my party? In my home and in my workplace? What steps do I take to help them dance together? If you've read To Kill a Mockingbird, you'll remember that Atticus Finch tells us, do not try to understand a man until you have truly gotten under his skin and walked around a bit. Did you really ever take the time to notice if people in your networks, whether in your private lives or in your corporate worlds, are acting out of character?